Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to make a spinach salad. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the video now. Today I am going to show you how to make a spinach salad in easiest way, and it is very good especially for pregnant women and new mother because they need lots of folic acid, and the spinach has lots of folic acid. And I'll show you all the required ingredients. Now we need a spinach and some salt to taste. Then we need a white sesame roasted one, then some sesame oil, then we need some garlic, then some spring onion, and we need to boil the water, but I have already boiled the water to save time for you. And we have to blanch the spinach into the boiled water. Now let's blanch the spinach into the boiling water. We have to blanch the spinach for 1 minute into the boiling water. And now let's press the spinach, then stir it, and we have to cover it, and we have to wait for 1 minute. Now it's already 1 minute, so let's scoop out the spinach. Let's take out the spinach. Like this. Then we have to wash the spinach with cold water. After that, we have to wash the spinach with a cold water. Then let's keep on the side. Now let's cut the garlic. Then let's cut the spring onion. Like this. Then let's put it in a bowl. Now let's put 1 spoon of sesame oil, then some salt to taste, then some roasted white sesame seed. Then let's mix it together. And let's keep on the side. And now let's squeeze out the water like this. And after that, let's cut the spinach. not in the small pieces, like this. Then let's put it in the bowl. Then let's mix everything. This is how I make this spinach salad, and it looks very tempting, and I will taste this salad for you guys. It's very nice, and please give a try at home, and I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.